Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Boston whaler dealer here. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on this special 2026 Boston Whaler 33 Vantage dual console, brand new model for whaler. It's the first one we've seen here in Pompano and we're excited about it. Light blue gel coat on this one, black hardtop framing, windlass anchor. Such an awesome do-it-all boat. Nice raised Boston Whaler emblem here. Hardtop gel coat to match the blue underneath there. Rod holders on the hardtop supports. You got the sure shade option in the back. This one's got the V10 400 Mercury's on it in white. Underwater lights. Recessed trim tabs. What a beautiful package. Let's hop on in and take a look. Beautiful walk-through space here. This one has the summer kitchen in the back with the sink and the barbecue. Pull out drawer fridge here. Standard dive door, standard live well. Another refrigerator. Pulls out, so you actually have two refrigerators on a 33-foot boat. Electric grill with inverter. You still can fish. You have fish boxes in the floor. Nice access to your bilge. Shore power. Gorgeous new interior from Whaler. Standard pop-up table here. These are reversible, so when the table's down, I can move these to make a complete lounge. This one came in with the hardtop hatches. You have spreader lights in the back, JL audio speakers in the perfect places. This is a big bench seat here with an insulated cooler underneath. Just look at the size of the hardtop frame on this. Just so well engineered. Nothing even comes close. More storage in the floor. This is a joystick driven boat, of course. You have an electric helm seat for up and down. Big 16-inch Simrad. VHF radio. Nice double companion seat here. Look at how nicely they did this, the head. Just about stand-up headroom in there. I'm about 5'10", I can just about stand up. Vacuum flush toilet. Beautiful sink with storage. And you do have a little berth on this side. There is the option to get this air conditioned. This specific one is not, but great for storage or to get out of the rain if you need to. This one came with the optional full windshield, which we love here. Gives us more protection offshore. But you do have an electric vent when the centerpiece is closed, so you can get some nice fresh air through. And you do have plenty of fresh air on the sides that you can allow through. There is isinglass that fills in this spots on the side. Big beautiful bow area, armrest, table. The table will convert down to a full lounge here. Look at the speakers in the perfect spot again. Easy access to your windlass. Look at how beefy this enclosure door is. This one has Simrad radar as well. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. This is the new 2026 Boston Whaler 33 Vantage dual console. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Love to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.